This holds all the main plants for all our strains that we take our clone cuttings from.
In production currently, we have roughly 24 strains or so. Completely housed, we have closer to around 40. And with each strain, we've got varying numbers depending on how many cuttings we can get off each type of plant. So roughly in this room, we've probably got about 800 plants.
So it's our job to maintain the health of the plants so that we get great cuttings, so that we get great new stock for our production. And that's the most important part.
They are genetic cuttings off of our mother stock. So we're basically recreating the exact same plant multiple times over. So they are stuck in rooting hormone and then placed in media cubes. And then from there, they are going to take about anywhere from 2 to 3 weeks to root. Once they're rooted, they move on to our vegetative process, which is the next step in the life cycle. This is our bedroom, which is short for vegetative. This is where our plants get transplanted into larger volume containers once they have rooted in their clone cube. In here, they'll stay about 3 to 4 weeks, fill out a root base to support the flower that we're going to grow in the next phase. We're looking at one of our 11 flower rooms. We have roughly 4,000 plants in each flower room. They spend about 2 months in there until they're harvested. So the plants that we are looking at are fully mature and about a week and a half out from being harvested. So we are harvesting flower room 10 today. This is our harvest crew behind me who has chopped down a number of plants. They're now de-leafing, taking all the big leaf off before the plants are moved into our dry room to be hung for the dry phase for about 7 to 10 days.
This is our multi-use vault. This is our storage area for flower in all different degrees, both packaged, ready to sell, and for processing and being packaged. So the shelf life of a flower product is somewhere between 6 to 9 months. There's no expiration date in the state of New Jersey, but for the most part, for oil-based products, we're looking at about a lifespan of 6 months.